Setting up these types of temporary work zones provides the traveling public a safe way through a traffic control area or an incident scene. All of our operators go through a basic work zone and traffic control training that is done in 2 separate classes. The first one is basic work zone that gives them a good understanding of what the purpose of the traffic control on the job site is for. And then they also follow up with an ATSA approved flagger training, which provides guidance on how to properly stop and let traffic through a work zone. When we set up these work zones, we're giving the public a means to travel through the work zone with as minimal amount of time stopped or slowed down or detoured. Having the temporary traffic control or work zone set up, it provides our workers the sense of security to be able to do a good job on the work that they're doing without having to constantly look over their shoulder to make sure that there's no one that's going to be, causing them any harm. We are here to make our roads better for the traveling public, safer for the traveling public, to slow down and be cautious of the workers in that work zone. They want to go home safe and sound just like you guys do.